Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and over the space of time I've done a number of videos on simultaneous equations and the various methods that can be used to solve them. And so today I thought what I would do is I would take a pair of equations that are really pretty simple, and I would talk through the pros and cons of using either elimination or substitution to solve for x and y. Now, I hope that looking at this, it's fairly clear that the sensible way to go about this is to use substitution, because we're told what y is in each case, which means that if this is y and this is y, these two things are equal, which also means that these two things are equal. So that 3x minus 2 is equal to 2x plus 1. And this is the simplest form of substitution. 3x minus 2 equals 2x plus 1. I'm going to do this using this method, and then I'm going to do this using elimination, just to show that it can be done, but also to demonstrate that this is a choice about the amount of time and effort that you put into this. So 3x minus 2x, I am removing 2x from each side, is equal to 1 plus 2. At the same time, I am adding 2 to each side, which means that we wind up with x, 3x minus 2x, is equal to 3. From here, we can figure out what y is by substituting it into this equation or this equation. This one's the easier one. So y is equal to 2 times 3 plus 1. Y is equal to 7. Let us test this. 3 3s are 9 minus 2 is 7. We get the same result. That and that are our answers. Now, what if we got it into our heads to use elimination? Well, first of all, I think we'd need to rewrite these equations. Y minus 3x equals negative 2, and y minus 2x equals 1. Now, again, this actually turns out to be really, really straightforward. Because this is such a simple pair of equations. You have choices though, and I want to discuss those choices. You could choose to eliminate the x's, which would mean that you would have to do something like multiply this line by 2 and this line by 3 to get the same number of x's here. So you'd get 6x here and 6x here, and then you could eliminate. But look at this. For a little bit of rewriting, we've got to the point where it's nearly as fast to do it this way as it is to do it as I solved it up here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract this bottom line from this top line. Now y minus y leaves me with nothing. Negative 3x minus negative 2x gives me negative x. Negative 2 minus 1 gives me negative 3. X is equal to 3, and we're back where we were up here. I won't go through the process of finding y. We know what that is, but that is how we would do this if we were eliminating. So it's a real line call in this case. I think I'd probably still go for substitution because it's slightly less work. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you found this useful. I get asked again and again and again when I'm tutoring, oh, which method should I use? And my answer is always the method that works best and fastest for you. And that comes down to understanding what those methods are and what they involve. So again, thank you very much for watching. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.